Hey y'all, good morning. What's up? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. This is another car conversation. So I have this analogy that the Holy Spirit led me to on yesterday, and I was like, I gotta share this because I know like somebody need this. I was looking for a hair mousse for my hair, and I really need, it's like a holding mousse. Ladies, if you know, holding mousse, styling mousse, it gets your hair together. So I was like, I have to have this. It's gonna kind of put like the icing on the cake for my hairstyle. So I have a big bin with all of my hair products. If you know, I used to have a hair business, so I have like branding, marketing stuff in there. I have just hair stuff, a whole bunch of stuff in there. And I was just digging. I was taking everything out. Everything that was not what I needed, I was taking it out so that I can find the hair mousse that I actually needed. And the Holy Spirit made me think about, like, we need to do this with our own lives. Like the things, the people that are not conducive, sorry, I can't think of the word, conducive to our destiny, the things that don't matter in our life, we need to get it out the way, take it out the way so that we can focus ourselves on the things that do matter. And it came to me and I was just like, oh my gosh, like I was just digging, like pulling stuff out, and it was just like, you need to do this with your own life. You need to ask God to rid you of the toxins, rid you of, old thinking patterns, old habits, things that are not conducive to your purpose or your destiny. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but really take time this week. Reflect on your life, reflect on how things are, reflect on how you want them to be, and just ask God for insight, ask God for strategy, because there are so many things that we are getting involved with. There are so many things that we are attached to that are causing more harm than help to us. And I just wanted to share that. I don't know who needs it, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day. I'm about to go and work, and I will talk to you later.